Yeah? All right. I never used one of these before. There we go.
Come on, just break her loose. Break her loose.
All right. I think it broke your socket, dude. What's going on, Team Lethal fans? Mustang King in the house over at WBA Performance. We've got more Bronco mods rolling in. I'm really excited about this. I'm having so much fun with this Bronco. I love the fact that all these companies are stepping up and sending us a whole bunch of parts for them so we could test them out for you, install them, and show you how they work, show you how they sound. So today we're going to be installing the new Roush Performance axle back for the 21 and up Bronco, along with their 5-inch black tip. We already have the MRT trail-rated exhaust on the truck, which sounds awesome in my opinion. So I'm really excited to see how the Roush sounds compared to it. So we're going to do the install and then give you a couple of sound clips. If you guys are liking all of our Bronco content, please make sure to like and subscribe to our videos and our channel. Make sure to comment. We'll do our best to answer all of your questions. So the system from Roush will fit both the 2.3 liter and the 2.7 liter Bronco. However, there's something with the bracket that we've got to change for all 2.7 liter owners. This bracket needs to be removed, and we're going to be installing the 2.3 liter OEM bracket flipped 180 degrees. So in order for us to remove the OEM bracket and install the Roush bracket, we do have to remove the 4 tow hook bolts as well as multiple bolts to remove the bumper cover. That will allow us to access the nuts on the back side of this bracket so we can remove it. Yeah.
All the off-road.
You have your safety glasses on?
Safety.
In addition to removing the bracket, tow hooks, and bumper cover, you've got to pull the spare tire off. Because you can't get the bumper cover off without the spare tire off. I've done this before, by the way.
On the side of the road?
When I got a random flat.
Random, right?
Total, just random.
They have like giant gouge.
It was big, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. That was really fun changing a brand new tire in the parking lot of Publix.
Your wife told me she did the work.
Yeah, right. Look at that. Tow hooks off.
Yeah. Remove the license plate.
Ooh, look at that.
TJ, you want to grab that side?
Is this?
It's going to fall off.
There's also probably a sensor connected to it.
We got
No?
it.
You got them? Nice. All right, off we go. I wish I was putting a cool aftermarket bumper on.
There's 2 connectors on each side that you have to disconnect.
Got it. So there you go. Before removing the bumper, make sure to disconnect these 2 connectors. And then remove what? There was 2 other bolts holding on? 2 SJ bolts, 18 millimeter. There we have it. Hey now, look how exciting this is.
Oh, look at that.
Oh man, look at that.
2 10s in there.
That's what we want to get to. And this is why the bumper cover has to be removed because, yeah, because Ford. That's so weird that it's like that. So we've got the Roush hanger assembly all ready to go. Bolts are installed as well as a spacer. We're going to put it up here behind the bumper and slide it on over. It'll lock it into place. And then we're going to tighten up those bolts and the hanger should be in the right location. Make sure the hanger is aiming upwards when installed. All right, slide it on.
Slide it.
Slide it. Splendid. This is splendid, by the way. That's gonna go in there, right? Installs using the factory mounting location and clamp.
Give her a little
twist.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, baby.
Twist
Oh
that
yeah.
thing.
Oh yeah.
We gotta loosen a little more.
Oh, we gotta loosen. Splendid.
Joshua.
Doctor? Forceps?
Governor.
Doctor?
Beautiful. Get in there.
Get in my belly!
There she goes.
Here we go.
There she blows.
Okay. Oh, splendid. There we go. Driver's side done. It's that easy. Now we need the rubber piece over here as well. Rubber hanger.
The rubber.
It's actually not that difficult of an install once you've realized you need to remove the
Bumper.
tow hooks and bumper cover. Fairly easy there. Look at that. All right. Give me the tip. Just a tip. Look at this. Wow. So slide it on right there.
Does a little point down action.
Yeah.
With the R up.
Logo up.
R up, R for Roush Performance. Thanks, Roush, by the way. You guys are awesome. Not only did they send us this axle back, they sent us their new cold air intake, which we'll be installing, which is going to be a quick and simple install for sure. So we're going to reinstall the bumper cover, making sure to reconnect those two electrical connectors on each end, put the tow hooks back on, then we're going to see where that tip is placed and then tighten it up.
Yeah, you're fine. The tip straight.
Tip looks pretty good, man. After doing the install, which actually really wasn't that bad, the only thing that you do have to understand is that the rear bumper cover does need to be removed along with those tow hooks, which might scare some people, but it's really not that big of a deal. This actually can be done in your driveway using simple hand tools and a helping hand. So we've got the exhaust on the truck. We're gonna lower it down, fire it up. I'm excited. Let's do this. Woo! We ready? There we have it. It's our first fire up. So it's definitely louder than the factory exhaust. The factory exhaust you don't even hear on the Bronco at all. You hear the engine more than the exhaust, like I've mentioned before in the MRT video. The Roush is definitely sounds quieter. It doesn't have as, I don't even know how to say that tone, but it's the Roush is like a deeper tone, but not as loud decibel-wise as the MRT. So what we're going to do is take it out on the road, do some revs and pullaways and drive-bys, and hear how it sounds then, and then we can give you our final review on it. All right, so we just finished up the install. We're outside on one of the local streets here. Want to do a couple revs with the new Roush exhaust on here, hear how it sounds compared to factory. I do remember, again, the factory exhaust, you don't hear at all. You hear the engine, no exhaust. So with the Roush, give it a couple revs. Definitely like bassy, deep sound to it. There is no rasp or anything like that, no rattling. Sounds really good. So let's take it for a cruise down here. It does sound good. Again, it's a deeper sound for sure. Kind of bassy. No rasp. No drone. I don't hear anything. It's nice and quiet, actually. Definitely noticeable over a factory. A bassy tone to it, and I do love the looks of the 5-inch black coated tip on the back. Looks really good coming out. The back bumper there looks awesome. And we've been selling a ton of these, so thank you guys for all of your support. I haven't even seen many reviews on them yet. It's probably one of the first times I've heard this exhaust, whether it being on a video or in person or anything like that. And real happy to have been working with Roush on it. Thanks for sending it down. And glad that we could bring this content to all of our Bronco customers and Bronco family members out there. Yeah, we're gonna do some outside revs and drive-bys and pullaways and hear how it sounds. Check out my new exhaust from Roush Performance. still, again, that like deep tone to it. No rasp, nothing like that. No crackling or rattling or anything like that. It sounds good. I like it. Where's my helmet? Woo! Great night, guys. Great night. La 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 la. La 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 la. Woo! I'm gonna f this one up a million times, but it's all good. I'm really excited though, I really am. All right, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment on all of our videos. TJ, wonderful job, man. Pulling off the MRT exhaust.
It's all done.
Very simple.
There you go.
There you go. All right, cool. I liked how you sounded. You were really nice. You've been really nice to me. It's time to change you out though and start dating someone new. The Roush Axleback. Yeah? All right. I never used one of these before. There we go.
Come on, just like break it loose. Break it loose.
All right. I think it broke your socket, dude. Yeah, I totally split your socket in half. There we go. Nope, it's stripping the nut. Oh, man, I just totally stripped the nut and broke your thing. Dude.
You broke a snap.
Damn, bro, yo, add a socket to the bill, bro.
That's like $200 socket right there.
Damn, bro, add that on the light. Look at that. I'm so strong. Ah, I broke the socket.
Would be the question.
No,
The original instructions say you take the bumper cover off.
Did they really?